what's up? It's J Hall, and it's the Hip Hop Maker Show. Alright, what's good? You know, it's summertime, so that's time for the new summertime music. And I'm all about new summertime classics. So we're gonna have these 3 artists that we're gonna break down who just dropped some heat this past couple weeks. This first guy right here, I'm a big fan of, alright? Although he was tussling with the champ, his name is T.I., as you know. He got an album coming out called Paperwork, and this song right here is called Turn It. So check out a little sample of it real quick.
In the streets, I done it, swear to God, from the west to the east side, right? You better watch how you talking to me now, son. I'm a bankhead, nigga, but the east rap for me. You violate when you see me. Get a demonstration in 3D. My motivation hit different states and have 10 pieces like hot wing, nigga. Keep it real, you not me, nigga. They one for jail with a shot, nigga. They did respect and out top, we kill them. I'ma watch that duck like duck wing, nigga. Still in the chat when you see me. With my burner tub, in my monster truck. The money you get like crawling up. Hey nigga, you ain't need that can rich your arm enough. With the match chain, my formula, and get cocaine and buy everything. Like, yeah, I'ma turn it for the dope boy. Riding in the truck, 50 pounds in that thigh, I ain't need that. I'ma turn it for the bad hoe. Hey, holla where you see me. You know I got the raw where you need it. I'ma turn it for the bankroll. I need it in my back, but what you need it, I can get it if I ain't got it. I'ma turn it for these sucker man. I know you wouldn't be shit without me. Just I can keep your bitch dreaming.
Alright, so what you think? Trouble Man back? Is he good? I like it. I'm not a fan of T.I.'s fast flow all the time because sometimes I think when an artist raps a little bit too fast, they're kind of escaping lyricism. But T.I. always give good lines. Now the production value is pretty good. It backs him up real smooth. But it always seems like T.I. got to remind us how much of a dope boy he is. Like, he always got to remind us how much jail time he did. It's like, Tip, you did 2 years. You're good. You ain't got to remind us how much jail time you did. The family hustle, man, you should be sitting on that. That's cool. I sometimes wish T.I. would rap about something different, but dope boy music he's real good at, you know? So he got the albums coming out called Paperwork, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a monster. This next artist is MMG's own, Mr. Screamer, Meek Mills. This song is called I Don't Know. Check out a small sample of it.
On the chase for the money, cause the hoes won't please us. Jesus told us there's blood on the leaves. Ain't no love in the streets. Let her run into me and she wanted to me. Now she fuck with a G. Got your bitch not wanting to speak. Hold up, y'all motherfuckers try shit on us. Chain all lit all up. Porch with the horse like get on up. And my bitch got that shit on her. Rock ball man, cause I'm ballin'. I put red bottoms on red models. And no more red bottles. Straight bad leg, nigga, every bottle. Say Rick and Rose, we in here. Double MG, we been here. Straight from the north side, right by the projects. How did I get here? Sippin' on lean with a badass bitch from the hill, probably live there. And get money like me, and the pussy so wet needs swimming with. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
I don't know what these niggas speaking of. I don't know what these niggas tripping now. Don't touch my niggas, I suggest you don't. Boy, if you do, you must be suicidal. Don't say my name unless you're suicidal. Don't get too close unless you're suicidal. Don't touch my niggas, I suggest you don't. Boy, if you do, you must be suicidal.
Suicide doors, run around with a suicide horse.
Alright, you feeling that? Is Meek Mill back? Is that the kind of joint that you can do when you in the gym? Because that's what Meek Mills is good for, okay? That song was called I Don't Know. It's a small sample of it. His album coming out is called Dreams Worth More Than Money. The only thing about Meek, his mixtapes tend to be a little bit better than his actual album. So I'm hoping that this album, Dreams Worth More Than Money, is actually going to be dope because he said that he's learned to control his flow. He's still going to be screaming. I mean, what's a Meek Mill album without him screaming? I Don't Know kind of give you that high energy that we good for. The chorus sounds a little weird, but I'm going with it. I'm going with it, you know. I haven't tried it out in the gym yet, but, you know, I'm going to try it pretty soon. This next final one is by your boy, Mr. Split Personality himself, Drizzy Drake. This song is called 0 to 100. Check out a little sample of it and see how you like it.
She don't wanna see. She ain't ready for it. If I ain't the greatest, then I'm headed for it. Yeah, that mean I'm way up. Yeah, the 6 ain't friendly, but that's where I lay up. The shit a motherfucking layup. I been Steph Curry with the shot, been cooking with the sauce, Chef Curry with the pot, boy. 360 with the wrist, boy. Hey, who the fuck them niggas is, boy? OVO, man, we really with the shits, boy. Yeah, really with the shits. I should probably sign a hit, boy, cause I got all the hits, boy. Fuck all that Drake, you gotta chill shit. I be on my little mouse drill shit. Fuck all that rap to pay your bill shit. Yeah, I'm on some rappers pay my bills shit. All up on TV, I thought it made me richer. Wasn't paying me enough, I needed something quicker. So now I'm all in Nico basement, working on the phones. Either that or drive the money mark to make the pickups. Man, it's 2008, I'm trying to paint the picture. Comeback season in the works and now I'm thinking bigger. I got 40 in the studio, every night, late night. Gotta watch that shit, don't wanna make them sicker. That's my nigga.
So what you feeling at? Drake, 0 to 100. Now by the time you see this, Drake, 0 to 100, already got like 6 remixes. I think Joe Ortiz did one, Vado, Genuine did a freestyle on that's pretty dope. Everybody is covering this song. Drake is the king of making songs just for the hell of it. There's no album, no soundtrack. The boy just like working, so I give it to him. He left the singing off of it for those of you that complain about that side of him, and he kept it straight to the lyricism. Now, the one thing I do like about Drake is that when he goes lyric toe for toe, ain't too many people that can really touch the boy, seriously. Now, sometimes he act like he's giving some subliminal messages, and that could come across a little fake because in this day and age, we tend to like it when people say what's on their mind and who they're talking to. But Drake is a kind of MC that I've come to conclusion who just likes to leave it up into interpretation. If you think he's talking about you, then it goes out to you then. That's so be it. But the song is kind of dope. I don't really see it being in one of his usual club bangers, but it's going to be a song that's going to always be out there. So that's what's up with him. And that's it. Did you like it? You like those 3 songs? You think they dope? Or you saying, J-Hard, you think I'm crazy? Hit me up on my Twitter at JHardRadio and let me know what you think about those 3 songs. We're going to be premiering songs like this every so often for you, just so we can have some type of interaction. Or go below on our YouTube page and write a comment and you let me know what you think also. And leave your Twitter, your email, and I'll respond, okay? And also check out my man, me and my guy, DJ Akademiks, every week on our syndicated radio show, Hip Hop Major Show. Check us out on hiphopmajorshow.com and follow the Twitter, HHMS98. As usual, be blessed and successful, and I'll see you then.